What if I told you a sneeze is actually your body's emergency eject button? It can happen anywhere. In class, on the road, even in the middle of a conversation. Suddenly, ACHOO. But why does your body do that? Is it because of dust, pepper, or something else entirely? Here's what's really happening. When something irritates the inside of your nose, your brain treats it like an unwanted intruder. So it launches a super fast blast of air to throw it out. A sneeze is basically your nose saying, "Get out."